Hello and welcome to another New Ideas review. Can this little device take care of all your battery charging needs? Let's take a look. This is the Hahnel ProCube2 Sony Edition, which comes in this orange finish. It's capable of charging either one or two batteries at the same time, and the charge current is adjusted individually depending on the charge level of each battery. And it comes with plates for Sony FZ100s, BX1s and FW50 batteries in the box. Also included is a plate which takes 4 rechargeable AA's and a 12-volt vehicle cable. Charging times in a car are no different to charging times plugged into the mains. And this unit's able to provide power via USB. It has a very handy feature which means that when it's finished charging the batteries, it switches over to USB output. So as you can see here, you're able to charge a battery in camera after the ones that are charged in the charger, which is very useful for overnight battery charging. Swapping plates is quite easy, but it does require either the included inbox tool or a pen tip, as you can see here. Now, as you might have guessed, I've already lost the tool, and I've only had this battery charger about 10 days. It might be a good idea for the next version of this charger to have a very small button on the back. Hahnel claim that you can charge one battery in 2 hours and 2 batteries in 3 hours. On testing, this is largely true. You can get to 100% on the charger, and then when you put it in the camera, sometimes it reads 100%, but sometimes it reads a couple of percent below. If you then leave it in the charger for another 5 minutes, you get to fully charged. It does take an additional 15-ish minutes for the charger itself to stop charging. There's also an indication of when the charging stops, as these 3 pips at the top of the battery stop moving. The readout on the front gives you the capacity of the battery in percentage points, and also it tells you how much energy is being added to the battery in milliampere hours. The included AA plate attaches magnetically, but there's no way to charge camera batteries at the same time, and the information provided on the front is rather sparse. The charging plates connect via pins and pads. One thing to note is there's no third contact in the battery plates, which means there's no communication between the battery and the charger. Some other chargers do have this feature. There are different versions of this charger for Canon, Nikon, Olympus and Panasonic, but the only difference really is the colour of the cube and the different battery plates it comes with. You can buy additional plates for your charger if you decide to change battery systems. Hahnel make a claim that if you charge a battery for 15 minutes, you can get 150 shots out of it. When I tested this, I actually found this was a little on the low side. Most of the time I could get around 250 to 260 shots, although this is very dependent on how you have the camera set. For example, if you're using continuous autofocus, have the LCD on all the time, then you'll get a few less shots. If you're only using the viewfinder, you'll get a few more. In summary, I'd say this is a good charger at the price. Although there are a few other similar options at lower price, this one gives a unique combination of features from a well-known brand. As usual, links to this will be in the description below, as will some other options. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. It goes a long way to helping this channel. And thanks for watching. See you next time.